Let's learn about some more basic things of Rubik's Cube and try to learn the how to make or how to start solving Rubik's Cube. So in this Rubik's Cube, first we'll try to locate the pieces. We have three different types of pieces in Rubik's Cube. Starting with the center. Center means it will be at the center of all the face. On the white face, this is the center. On the blue face, this is the center, blue center. On the yellow face, this is the yellow center. On the green face, this is the green center. On the red face, this is the red center. And on the orange face, this is the orange center. So these are the center pieces which are exactly in middle of the faces. We call them center pieces. What about corner pieces? Corner pieces you will always find on the corner of the cube. So there are four corners, and how can you identify more corner pieces? That they will always have three colors in it. Corner pieces are always, you will find them on the corner, and they will always have three colors in it. For example, there's green, orange, white. This is orange, white, blue. This is orange, white, yellow. This is orange, yellow, green. So these are called corner pieces. Even if I try to switch the positions of these, they are always corners. Similarly, in this one, they are corner pieces. This blue, red, white. This is one corner. It is always at the corners and it contains three colors. It is white, red, green. It is at the corner, and it is green, red, yellow. It is always at the corner, and one more, yellow, red and blue. They are always at the corner, so they are called corner pieces, or you can identify that corner pieces always have three colors in it. Next, moving on to the edge piece. What are edge pieces? Edge pieces have two colors in it. So can you locate any edge piece that has two colors in it? First of all, we are going to learn about this. It has two colors in it, orange and blue. What also can we talk or observe in this Rubik's Cube is that the edge pieces are in middle of two corner pieces. Look, here one corner piece is there, here one more corner piece is there. So edge pieces are always in middle of the two corner pieces. If I look at like this yellow orange piece, which we call them as edge piece, first of all it has two colors, and second thing, it is between two corners. So it is like sandwiched between two corner pieces. So this is edge piece, this green orange edge piece, this white green edge piece, this red green edge piece. It has two colors in it, and it is sandwiched between these two corner pieces. Okay, it's sandwiched between these two corner pieces. So we call them as edge piece. Now what we'll do, first of all we'll scramble it, and before even scrambling, okay, let's just scramble first of all. Now whenever you're trying to solve from the white, like for example I decided that I'll start solving from the white pieces. My first layer will be white, or my first layer that I'll complete is white. Then I'll try to learn how to orient the cube accordingly. So what I'll do, this is the white center piece, right? It is right now facing towards me. What I'll do, I'll make it face towards the upside. So this is up. Now white is facing up. The color that is by default I'm facing, it is blue, but you can face any color, that is red, green, orange. It does not matter. So white is on top, whereas I am facing any color, any other color except white, that is orange, green, red and blue. Now what is my first more step, that I'll try to face it like this, so that I'm slightly able to see the white face and slightly able to see the red face. I'm actually facing red, but I'm partially holding it like this, so I'm able to see all the movements or all the things on the white center face and also on the red center face. It makes it very easy for me to see which pieces needs to go where, and it makes the job really easy. So first of all, to make a plus sign on the white corner, on the white center piece, what I'll try to look for, hold your cube firstly like this. White should face the top and you should face the red should face you. You should be able to see the red color very clearly. It says check for the white edge piece in the upper layer. Okay, I am checking for the white edge piece in the upper layer. I have this one white edge piece, except this one I don't have any. This is red yellow edge piece, this is blue yellow edge piece, this is orange yellow edge piece, and I have this orange white edge piece. Now it is oriented okay, but it's not, it just needs to be flipped, right? You also feel that it needs to be flipped. What I can do here is, whenever as you are facing the red side, whenever you see that white is facing you, not the upside, it's facing you, what you will do, you follow the next steps. What I'll do, rotate the face. I told you the movements, you can rotate the face either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. It all depends on you. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to rotate it towards the left or anti-clockwise direction. You can say either you can rotate the face towards the left or you can rotate the face towards the right. I'm going with the left. Okay, let's rotate it to the left. Now, can you know or can you just tell whether you are able to put this piece on top? By just moving left layer, this piece will be on top, right? I'll show you the movement once again. Just see how can you make the movement so that this piece reaches top. So it's this movement, right? It's the left movement. It's done. So I always look for, first of all, already white edge piece in the top layer. Then my next priority is check for the white edge piece in the middle layer. Second thing that I'll give priority to, now I don't have any more white edge piece in the top layer, I'll look for in the middle layer. In the middle layer, I've got this one, blue red edge piece, no I don't want that. Green orange edge piece, no I don't want that. Okay, green white edge piece, thankfully I got one green and white edge piece in the second layer, so I'm going to give priority to this. I'm going to solve this first. Again, if you see, if I want to move this edge piece on top, what I am doing, I am just try to figure it out by yourself. First of all, how you're going to make this piece reach to the top? By putting the left layer up. Okay, by putting the left layer up, my edge piece is on top. Now let's look for another middle edge piece, because first of all, I'm again going to check if I have any white edge piece on top layer, in the top layer. No, I don't have any. So let's look in the middle layer again. It's yellow, orange one, no I don't want that. It's blue, red one, no I don't want that. It's yellow blue one, no I don't want that. It's white and blue, yes I want this one. So this is the edge piece, but it's on my right hand side now. Okay, it's on my right hand side. Try to see if you can make it reach to the top layer. You can do the right movement, and by this it is in the top layer. But by doing this, this piece is gone. This white edge piece is gone. What I can do is I look for the empty slots. What are empty slots? That does not have white edge pieces with them. If I move it upper layer towards the right hand side, like if I do this movement, I can see I still have white edge piece here. Why I want it the empty slot to be here, just see, if I'll move it here, it will be replaced. That is why I want the empty slot to come here. Hold your cube like this where you are able to see both the layers. Again I am saying slightly. So I moved it one more time. No, it's not working for me. No worries, I'll move it again. Now it's working for me. My other edge, white edge pieces are still there, and I was successfully able to move one more white edge piece on top. What I'll do now, I'll see, look for again, starting from the first step, look for any white edge piece in the top layer which is not aligned. Okay, they are perfectly aligned, I don't want to touch them. So other than these, I don't have any which I want to align. Then I'll start looking for white edge pieces in the middle layer. Okay, it is not white edge piece. No worries. Wow. Okay, let's start with this orange blue. No, this is not the edge piece that we want. Red yellow. No, this is not the edge piece that we want. This is blue red. No, this is not the edge piece we want. Again we are starting with yellow blue. No, this is not the edge piece we want. So where can be our edge piece? It's not in the top layer, it's not in the middle layer. Let's look for it in the bottom layer. So slightly, just little bit slightly, strictly now face any one particular color, but still keep your white on top. I'm just trying to find white edge piece. Now if I see, I've got this one white edge piece. I was able to find it in the middle layer. Here I have one white red edge piece. If I face the orange, I have this green orange edge piece. If I face green center, I have this orange yellow edge piece. If I face the red center, I have this yellow and green edge piece. But which color I want? I want the red and white edge piece. So if I'll just rotate it, now this is the empty slot, and if I rotate it, all the pieces are still there, and I was successfully able to put this in the top layer, right? So just by doing this movement, I was able to locate, okay, it is here. I face the blue, I slightly place it like this where I'm also able to see the white. Now I rotate it. Now my plus sign is made. Now we are going to discuss different scenarios which you can run into while making the plus sign. First of all, it's this one. What if you had white red edge piece on top, but if you tried to put it in the top layer by moving face, your one piece was gone. Your one piece is gone. So in this case, what we can do is try to look for the empty slot. Empty slot means what? The slot where the middle edge piece is not of white color. Okay, I see this is the edge piece which is of not white color. I'm going to move it towards here so that when I try to rotate the face to put this white edge piece, white and red edge piece on top, no, all the pieces are still there, and I am successfully able to make it reach or make the plus sign without disturbing other pieces. And one more case that you can run into is that let's try to find out the white edge piece. We can see there are no white edge, there are already 3 edge pieces, white edge pieces on top, means I only have one white edge piece left to make the plus sign. Let's look for it. Here I can see I have this in the last layer. It's not even in the middle layer, it's in the bottom layer, this white and red edge piece. What else we got in the bottom layer edge pieces? We have this one orange and green. Then if I face blue and keep white on top only, I can see there is yellow and orange. And let's check out this piece, this edge piece also. This is green and yellow edge piece. Now let's go back to our white edge piece. In this case, if let's try to make it reach to the top layer. First priority is that make it reach to the top layer. When I do that, you can also see, first of all, the first problem that I am arriving at is that if I try to rotate and make it reach the top layer, my one piece is gone. So to avoid this thing, I try to use the empty slot which is right now here. But if I do this movement, my white edge piece or this empty slot will be able to come here. Now if I try to put it in the top layer, my all three white edge pieces are still there, and I was able to successfully put this edge piece on top. Now, like we faced the first case, this was the very first similar case while we were solving a Rubik's cube, is that what we'll do, we rotate the face either to the left side or rotate the face either to the right side. It's upon you, you decide. Let's go with the left only. So we are going with the left. Now we see that if I'll try to make this piece reach the top, I'll have to do this movement, right? This is the movement we learned recently, that by doing this movement we'll able to make it successfully reach the top. But we don't want that because our one edge piece is gone because of it. So I'm going to use the empty slot which does not have white edge piece in it. I'm going to use this slot. I'm going to rotate it towards this side, and now if I try to make it reach the top, it reached the top successfully, and all the other pieces are still there. Okay, as you can see, right? Now to make the center, you know that if I'll try to do it like this, okay, here we have orange, green. Now after making the plus sign, the second thing that we do is to align the centers with the edge piece, correct edge piece. For example, this is correct, this is white, green. This is the correct edge piece, means correct edge piece aligned with the correct center. Green center with green edge piece. We'll have to do this in all the cases. It is not aligned. It's the orange center and red edge piece. It is the blue center, blue edge piece, that is correct, nice. It is the red center and orange edge piece. We don't want such miscoordination, we want the same color. So what we'll do, first of all, if you have any cube like this where no color is matched, like here no color is matched, here also no color is matched, here also different center, different edge, here also different center, different edge. In that case, what you can do, try to rotate the cube so that at least one color match or two color matches. We'll always try to look for two colors first because it reduces the number of movements for us. For example, if I try to rotate it in this direction, my green is matched but my orange and red is not matched, but blue is matched. So this is the very good case if you are able to arrive. Sometimes only one color will be matched. For example, in this one only blue is matching with the blue edge, blue center, but here they are not matching. Green with the green edge with the red center, blue edge with the green center. Here we got red edge with the orange center. In this case, what we can do, white is still on top, by the way. Then try to rotate it and see if there are two colors matched. Okay, there must be. Let's rotate it first like this. No, it's not matching. It's not matching. It's not matching. It's not matching. Rotate it again. Okay, this is matching. We got one pair. This is not matching. This is not matching. And this is not matching. No worries. We still got only one pair. Rotate it one more time. Look, this is matching. this is not, this is not, this is matching. So we already have two edge pieces aligned together. Either they will be like this or they will be matched with the opposite color. That is, this blue is matching, they are not matching, the green is matching, and it is not matching. So you must have how to again find such pair. Just keep rotating until you find two pairs matching. Just keep rotating the top layer and see if there are any two correct pairs or not. Okay, if you are able to find any two correct pairs, for example in this case we have the red matching and orange matching, well done, very good, they are placed correctly. Now we are going to either focus on blue or green. You can pick any color, it does not matter. Let's pick blue. So if I pick blue, then what I'm talking about picking is pick the blue edge piece. Okay, pick the blue edge piece. You can pick either the blue edge piece or green edge piece. So I said I'm going to pick the blue, so I'm going to pick the blue edge piece. Now it is at the top right now. I want it to go to the bottom layer. How can it go to the bottom layer? It is the face movement. It has now reached the bottom layer, right? Earlier it was up. If we see it like this, now it has reached the bottom layer. Now what I can do is match this blue edge piece with the blue center. How can I do it? Just keep rotating the first two layers. Now it is matched with the blue. I'll put it at the top. Don't worry about this orientation, just put it on top. Now you see it is matching, it is matching, it is matching, but my one piece is gone. Do you know where it can be? It will be exactly where we tried to replace it with. Here we got our white green edge piece, and here was we have blue white edge piece. Now we are going to do the similar thing. Rotate it until you find the green center. It is the red center, it is the blue center, it is the orange center, it is the green center. Then rotate the face to make it to the top layer. Now you have made the plus sign and you have aligned all the centers correctly. Very good. That is the way to go. Let's learn the next move in the next class.